Air Volts over here.
Affirm they're trying to locate.
Comms US 21, what was the recheck?
Golf Romeo Charlie 65, GRC 65. White 06, Mazda 10 this lane. Flag stolen earlier today from Olsen Avenue, Hillsborough.
Yeah, comms here, we've got long range jobs. He's just gone over Puanui Road. He's continuing on the motorway, so he's coming up. His next off ramp will be the Massey Road.
Okay.
Continuing to use the hard shoulder to undertake slower traffic, just coming up towards the Tidal Road overbridge.
DWI 2 Alpha Conjab to come free, 10-2.
Yeah, copy, we're at TI, but we're heading over that way now.
The speed's not significant, it's only 120, 130, other cars are going around 100, but he is just using the hard shoulder to overtake rather than overtake by using the lanes. Just approaching Massey Road off ramp now, and yeah, he's off Massey Road, so he's coming off at Massey Road.
36, I'm just approaching.
He's got a build up of traffic, so he's pushing between two lanes, coming up towards a traffic island and straight through a red light, turning right on Massey Road. And a big U-turn and back on the motorway, so he's going back on the motorway, the correct direction, but going back the way he came. We're going to have some issues getting in around the Manukau City Centre just with the air traffic at the moment, so if we can have some staff in around the Roscommon Road exits and the Manukau City exits itself, because we may not be able to pick those up.
Okay, confirming your direction of travel.
He's going back towards Manukau on the motorway.
Comms DCS 21, yeah,
We've got Counties 1 staff available to just cover Roscommon Road and all those exits if he's going to go further down south. He's just gone past Puanui Road, so he's not taking that, he's carrying on.
Comms DOC Bravo, all good.
So his next off ramp, just going past the signpost now for Lambie drivers, about 2 k's up ahead. And he's back into the left lane, so lane 1 of 2. And yeah, he's sort of out there by himself at the moment, no other traffic.
Sorry.
Just starting to lose sight of him now, just due to the angle that we're watching him on, so it's, yeah, so we might have to get JTOC if they can see him to call any off ramps.
From JTOC, just going under Plunkett and continuing past Lambie, southbound.
Okay.
Have we got spikes on readout comms?
For your Counties 1, I have limited up 3 up.
Are we able to get him now?
December key off ramp in case it exits.
Comms down at 30, I'll be around Mount Wellington Interchange.
Okay.
Comms DOC Bravo, we can take the stomach off ramp.
Okay.
Comms DOS 21, trying to get to Princess Street off ramp.
JTOC, any update?
Yeah, approaching East Tamaki, left lane at this stage.
From CWP to Alpha.
Okay.
Can you show us at the hub with these 1Js?
Roger.
Yeah, from JTOC, he's gone past East Tamaki, still northbound, approaching Highbrook.
Alright, anyone around Highbrook?
Yeah, Comsy, we got visual again. Yeah, back in the left-hand red shoulder, just gone underneath Beards Road. His speed is about 130 as he's coming up towards the Highbrook exit. He's remaining in the left and cutting wide across the motorway. He's lost control. He's hit the centre median. A big spin out, and he's centre of the motorway just past the Highbrook off-ramp. Passenger out running back in towards to the west. He's got a grey top, blue pants, white shoes. Driver's out in a black top, khaki shorts, and two other passengers have also exited. So they're running off over towards Waimonley. Passengers first out onto Waimonley. He's in the grey top, blue shorts, and he's running northbound Waimonley. I got the driver running behind properties, also northbound on Waimonley, between the on-ramp and the houses.
Comms the 12, but yeah, we're just approaching the crash site on the motorway there.
Alright. Was any free staff for Waimonley?
Column 7, I'll go to the crash scene.
Okay.
Down at 5:30, how close are you?
Yeah, I'm at crash scene as well.
Here comes, he got the passenger in the grey top. He ran further up onto Firth Crescent. The driver and the other two passengers, I've lost them in amongst the bushes just behind the houses, so they may have just gone to ground here. I'm just trying to pick them up, but they definitely didn't run out to the open. They attempt to be hiding from us.
Eagle 136. Eagle Delta 5, Waimonley and Clary, Wills Way. Can you guide me into the other guy?
Yeah, if you just come into Firth, or just go over and he may have just gone to ground. I'll just see if I can pick him up on the infrared, but...
Go ahead.
Roger, your incident control designated due to the motorway being closed northbound, over.
Roger.